In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare in cPanel. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can connect your domain to Cloudflare and begin routing your traffic through it. This is useful if you want to improve performance, add an extra layer of protection, and manage certain domain-related features more easily. The good news is that the setup inside cPanel is usually very straightforward. To begin, log into your cPanel account. Make sure you're using the correct hosting account for the domain you want to connect. Once you're inside cPanel, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. Depending on your hosting provider, the layout may look slightly different, but the sections and tools are generally organized in a similar way. Next, navigate to the software section. In this area, look for the Cloudflare option and click on it. This will open the Cloudflare integration tool provided through your hosting panel. If you don't immediately see it, it may be listed among other software or site management tools. So just scan the section carefully. After opening Cloudflare, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Cloudflare account. If you already have an account, enter your login details and continue. If not, you can create a new Cloudflare account directly from this step. During this part of the process, make sure you're connecting the correct account you plan to use for managing your domain. Keeping everything under one account can make future updates and troubleshooting much easier. Once you're signed in, you should see a list of available domain names connected to your hosting account. Find the domain you want to configure, then choose the setup option that best fits your needs. You'll click Enable next to either Name Setup or Full Setup to direct your traffic through Cloudflare. If you choose Name Setup, that usually offers a simpler connection method and may be suitable in certain hosting environments. If you choose Full Setup, Cloudflare takes a more complete role in handling your traffic. The option available to you may depend on your host's configuration, so just select the one shown for your domain and proceed. After enabling the setup, give the system a little time to process the changes. In some cases, updates can take a short while to fully apply. Once it's active, your domain will be connected through Cloudflare. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Cloudflare